Alright guys, we're doing another historic autograph signed Hall of Fame Jersey Edition Series 2 group break. This is our fourth group break of the night of this, doing it by a random letter. Biggest pull of the night was the 1980 World Series champion Phillies jersey signed by 23 players. It was pretty arfing sick. See what we can get you this time. Good luck everybody. We're going to pick a box. I'll do one roll of the die. We'll do the same because there's only two boxes. So whatever number I roll, that's for the drawing on the randomizer. If I roll an odd number, we'll do the top box. If I do an even number, we'll do the bottom box. So 4, we'll bust the bottom box, number 4. And we'll hit the randomizer 4 times. Good luck. Here's the letters. Here's the names. Carb 88 on the top and Rod King on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elway on the top. Rob M23, 18. Alright, and then the letters A and Y, top and bottom. 1, 2, 3. Last one, good luck. 4. W and C. W and C are the top and the bottom. Everybody else in between. There you go. Elway W, YBJ E, Rod King F, J Fike S, Mr. Nasty R, PUI Jerry G, Elway B, the B, Carb 88 Y, Mr. Nasty M, Rob M23 K, Mr. Nasty J, YBJP, Key Sports Cards T, LAB A, LAB H, J Fike D, Key Sports Cards L, and Rob M23 C. Alright, good luck. Let's see who we get. Ooh. Who's got S? We got a Gale Sayers. Very nice. S is J Fike, Jim. Very nice, Gale Sayers. J Fike went to bed. Doesn't even know he hit it. Good morning, Jim. When you wake up and eat your Cheerios in the morning, get a nice Gale Sayers jersey. There it is. Alright. There we go. That's it again for the break, guys. Send it to Bowling Back 40. Until next time, peace.